Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Threads application. Keep watching the video till the end to delete your Threads app. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Click on App Management. Scroll all the way down and tap on Threads. Now, to delete your Threads application, click on the uninstall button right next to the app. Confirm deletion of your Threads application by tapping on OK. It will delete your Threads application in no time. This is how you can delete your Threads application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.